I put on my lipstick twice today. The first time that I applied my lipstick, I actually forgot to hit record on my phone, so then I had to take it off and reapply it. So that should pretty much tell y'all how my day is going. Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, I would love it if you will click that red subscribe button down below and come and be a part of my Hannah Corns. I post and upload new videos every Thursday, Saturdays, and for the month of December, I'm going to be posting videos on Mondays as well at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Times. So make sure that you are subscribed and that you have my little bell icon on, which will notify you every time I upload a new video, so that way you can check out all of the new and cool and amazing and fun videos that I have coming up for you guys in the next few weeks, because I promise you, you are going to want to be here and stick around and see all of the amazing things that I have up my sleeve. So today I'm going to be doing a Snowflake Queen inspired makeup look. I am really excited for y'all to watch this video. I came up with this look 100% on my own. I got really inspired by snowflakes and just different things like that, and I really wanted to do this tutorial. I came up with the idea for this tutorial way back in August, and I literally kept counting down the days so I could film this video, and today is finally it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Going in with my Goddess of Eyes eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade Pearl, and I'm going to be applying that to the inner half of my lid using this little flat shader brush. Going in with the shade Fiji from the same Goddess of Eyes eyeshadow palette, I'm going to pack that onto the center of my lid using this exact same flat shader brush. Into the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, I'm going to take the shade Fame and apply that to the outer half and into my crease using this tiny little crease brush. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm going to take a false eyelash and apply it to my eye, and I'm using the LA Colors lashes in the style Diva. Now that we have the eyes done except for lower lash mascara, let's move on to the complexion. So first what I'm going to do is apply my foundation. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation ever from the drugstore. I love the matte finish that it gives, and it is a buildable coverage. So I am going to be building up the coverage on this foundation today. Then I'm going to be going in with my under eye concealer, and I use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. This is a full coverage under eye concealer. I absolutely love this stuff. It does not crease underneath my under eye area, and it has like a giant doe foot applicator. So honestly, what's not to love about that? And it does last a full 16 hours. I did put this to the test recently, and this is a good long wearing concealer. Then lastly, to set my concealer in place, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Translucent Locket Setting Powder. Now we are going to do my lower lash mascara, and again I'm just going back in with the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I actually really like this a lot for the lower lashes, just because it does add a lot of length down there, and it does add a lot of definition. I'm not going to do anything too crazy today with the lower lash line, just because I don't really feel like I need to. I feel like just the mascara is enough, so that's just what I'm going to do today. So I'm just quickly do the other side. I probably do need to get a new one of these mascaras because this one I can really tell is starting to dry out. I've had this one for about 3 months, which is about how long you should typically keep your mascara. So it's definitely time to get a new one. So I'm done with my lower lashes. Now I'm going to hop into bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm going to be using the bronzer in the Bronze Squad Cheekleaders palette. Now for blush, I'm just going to be using this lovely cookie blusher that I got in my Japanese subscription box. This is in the shade Pink Grapefruit Jelly, and to apply it, I'm just going to be using this Profusion blush brush. Now for highlighter, I'm just going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Blossom Glow. This is a super blinding, intense highlight, and I just thought it would go perfect with this eye look. So to apply it, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Last but certainly not least is lips, and then we're done. So for lips, I'm just going to be using this Covergirl lipstick in the shade Streaker. This is a really pretty cool toned nude lipstick, and I just felt like it would go perfect with this makeup look today, so that is why I chose it. Alright, so that is it for my Snow Queen makeup tutorial. I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. Thank y'all so much for watching this, and I really hope that you all will come back next Thursday and watch my new makeup tutorial then. Also, don't forget that I will have a new video on Saturday as well. So, without further ado, I'm just going to end that video here. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you all in my next video really, really soon. Bye, my little unicorn.